Hi, I'm Scott, and this is a video market update for my clients, friends, and family. Our share market for the last 12 months is up 10%, which has been really good for investment returns. And the share market is pretty much daily at a record high these days. A little bit of volatility over the last couple of months, but at 8,300 odd points, a record high. Our stock market has really been driven by about 6 stocks. 6 stocks make up about 70% of the returns for the last 12 months, and they include the Commonwealth Bank, NAB, Westpac, Goodman Group, Wesfarmers, and ANZ. So the big 4 banks are really making up have made about 35% for the year, and those stocks all together on how big they are and how much they've gone up is about 70% of the total return for the year. So if you weren't in those stocks, then you probably haven't had as good a year as everyone else. There is a little bit of what we call a sector rotation going on at the moment. I'm not too sure if this is going to continue or whether it's just a little bit of short-term profit taking. We are seeing a bit of a fall in technology stocks at the moment. We've seen companies like Tesla just in the last week fall 7%, and over about the last month fall about 17%. Companies like Nvidia, they've also dropped 6% in the last week and about 16% in the last month as well. It looks to us like it's just a little bit of profit taking and getting some of those valuations back down to a more reasonable level. I've been talking on these videos for the last couple of months about the very high levels of PE ratios and valuations of these tech stocks, and that seems to be unwinding a little bit at the moment. A common question that I get asked at the moment is the elections coming up in the US in November, and how does that affect the share markets both in the US and in Australia? Share markets are very forward-looking. They're looking at what the odds are of either side getting in the election and what that would mean to the economy and to share markets. So they've already looked at the likelihood of Trump getting in and working out what the odds are there and what that would mean for the economy, and the market's being priced at that level at the moment. The things that cause volatility in the share market are things that come up and are unexpected. So if there is a really unexpected result in the election, it could mean some volatility, and that means either upward or downward movements in the market. If the most likely candidate wins and that's been projected in, then the market should be fairly stable and fairly reliable during that period. That's it for this month. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Thanks very much for your time.